I'm going to be showing you how to do Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is very simple. The first thing you would do is start off with a right angle. Simple, okay? You could put a square and then a 90-degree sign. Now what you would do A, B, C. So A, B, C, okay? So AB represents your legs, okay? A, B are always going to be your legs. And C is going to be your hypotenuse. I abbreviated that with an H, okay? So now that you have your A, B, C, and remember C is always going to be your hypotenuse, okay? And A, B are going to be your legs. So now that you've done that, you can plug in your numbers. So we would do 3 squared, 4 squared, and our goal is to find C, okay? So now we could do our work, show our work to solve this equation. So we would do A squared plus B squared equals C squared, okay? So now we would plug in our numbers. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared, because we don't know what C squared is, and that is our goal. We're trying to find C squared. So now we would do 3 times 3, and that equals 9, plus 4 times 4, and that equals 16, equals 25, okay? Now once we get that, we would do the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is equal to 5, okay? So now we know what C squared is. C is equal to 5, okay? So now, okay, so to recap what I just did, I did A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Our goal was to find C squared because we already know our numbers for A and B. Our numbers for A and B are 3 squared, 4 squared, and we're trying to find C squared. So 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 4 equals 16. We added that together and we got 25. And now after we get 25, we do the square root. So square root of 25 is equal to 5. So that is our hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse is 5. So C equals 5. And that is how you find the hypotenuse of Pythagorean theorem. Okay, for the next part, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the legs of Pythagorean theorem. So of course, you start off with your right angle like always. Now, instead of trying to find the hypotenuse, we're going to find the leg. So A, B, C. Now we're going to plug in our numbers. Our goal here is to find A. So in our case, we could do 9 squared and 15 squared. Okay? And our goal is to find the leg of A. So we would do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay? Now we can plug in our numbers. A squared, because we're trying to find what it is. 9 squared equals 15 squared. Okay? So A squared again plus 9 times 9 equals 81. And then we do 50 times 15, and that equals 225. Now to find A squared, we would do 225 minus 81. So we can do that right here, 225 minus 81. And that gives us 144. Okay, and now once we found 144, we will find the square root of 144. So 144 is equal to 12, because 12 times 12 equals 144. So that is our leg. 12 is equal to our leg. And that is how you find the leg of Pythagorean theorem. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.